Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, here with an update to my most recent You Can't Make This Shit Up video. Okay, so if you saw the last one, right, you'll know that somebody sent me an Eat a Bag of Dicks t-shirt out of the blue. If I was a forward-thinking man, I'd have that shirt on right now, wearing it with tremendous pride. I have already worn it. I love it. It fits great. It was a size large. Whoever sent that to me was at least thoughtful enough to get it in the right size, okay? You'll probably remember that part of my rant included Apple. Apple makes very nice phones. They're really proud of their phones. They charge gigantic sums of money for their products that are arguably made in labor camps in China. Tremendous profit they make. They no longer come with cell phone chargers, right? You buy this phone, it has some life in the battery, but there's no means by which to recharge it if you hadn't already owned a previous Apple iPhone or without purchasing separately, I might add, a charger. I had to buy 3 of those chargers last week. My ass is still stinging. So I did my little rant. I cried like a little baby about having to buy 3 chargers, but I was still dumb enough to buy 3 phones. And what shows up out of the blue? Who sent it? I don't even know. I just know I have it and I love it. This is my Alpinestars wireless charger that I use on my iPhone. I didn't get a brand new iPhone. Max got a new iPhone. My wife Marcine got a new iPhone. My little daughter Sophia got her first ever iPhone. You know what they're not going to get? They're not going to get the old man's Alpinestars wireless charger. That's what they're not going to get.